Sa pakikiisa sa Araw ng Kasarinlan ng Pilipinas, isang pelikula ukol sa 2 dekadang pagdulong para sa hustisya ng pamilya at kaibigan ng boses ng mga magsasaka Jonas Burgos ang ipapalabas sa VIF. Ang detalye sa report na ito.
I am appealing from the heart of a mother.
Ang working hypothesis ko noon na military ang nag-abduct kay Jonas. Pero ang malaking tanong, bakit?
There seems to be a cover-up.
Ito lang ang kaso na alam ko na ang court nag-rule that the Philippine Army is held accountable.
Sa Vancouver, ipapalabas sa VIF ang Alipatu at Muog o Spark and Fortress, isang award-winning documentary noong 2024 na nag-iimbestiga sa pagkawala ng boses ng mga magsasaka na si Jonas Burgos. Sa direksyon ng kanyang filmmaker na kapatid J.L. Burgos, pinaghalo home videos, interviews at animation upang ilahad ang 2 dekadang paghahangad nila ng katotohanan at hustisya.
Alipato at Muog invites us to reflect on the responsibilities that come with living in a country where democratic rights and freedoms are protected, like here in Canada. It challenges perhaps the diaspora communities, katulad natin and others, to remain connected to the realities faced by many of the Filipinos and to recognize yung solidarity that transcends borders.
Ayon kay Beth Doliaga, Secretary General ng National Coalition for Human Rights dito sa Canada, founding member ng Migrante BC at kaibigan ni Edita Burgos na ina ni Jonas, napapanahon ang pagpapalabas nito sa Vancouver International Film Festival Center.
Independence is not just merely a historical event, but I believe it's achieved once and for all. It is an ongoing project that requires the protection of human rights, democratic institutions, and the dignity of every person. Yung political freedom kasi it loses much of its meaning when citizens can be silenced and disappeared or denied of justice.
Mapapanood ang Alipatu at Muog ngayong weekend at Huwebes, June 18 sa VIF Center, Seymour Street.
The freedom we're enjoying in Canada can also be a platform for advocating for truth and accountability and human rights wherever they are threatened.